episode for higher GC News. Bima Ubibia Aquaba had the latest hot and qua Aremeyaw Bromo. Erunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea, but Modia say over subscribe. The Bayan say over click a year subscribe button. Now wabele notification. We answer video for be upload when the first person once ebeka a video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fee share my wafufro so now when you be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana be mohano. I feel you share a year somewhere abeto yapuno so inti a year sam komu ya ba betu ya sa report mama inti.
I will go every extra mile to make sure I expose every one of them. Every one of them. Lawyer ni mu akot na ho ye ka shall. Na wo de why de wo pay because of sika. Lawyer ni mu lawyer ni gari ni makon. Nti afa hu de nti a untimi na they say ye ni ya jimie. I will expose every one of them. And I'm ready for every one of them. Their battles, I'm ready. I'm battle ready for them. Me o de me kokota meba. Na say na first no de me kokota na memba. De nti na memba nyina ne say
now need trust.
Me need trust wo mu. Say ya for bafo ni abai. Hey, won fa me court kra me ameko court. Me ameko court wo. Ye ko camera because me some people lawyer ni bia no ni mumra. They knew the judge. And until no mu su tokonu ho. Tokonu will never come again. She's part of the syndicate. May God forbid that she will ever come back again. May God forbid. We have to use the law. It's a state of laws. And it is the rule of law and the rule of man. No, I can say my judge. She will not come again today, tomorrow. ACBO Bafuboni is the Chief Justice. Today, tomorrow, till he retires. Coach, I will see where Kwaku KGL. Me say wo hu photo. Jomo ye. Me the many coach, I will see we. And aside from some the many coach, I will see who no so no. Me say wo me evidence. Et you know, matiti nyoma bi emesre. Ni hu ye manika keke. Oh, I to say me retalitabis. Ni hu ye manika and I'm in NAPO court me NAPO ko de me kokota. Wo krabe sa for ho asa beboka.
Court no or kwase ontwa na say.
There be wo kwa no akokire say nya na twa 590. So na adwene so. Akablemeza adwene we da utrim as Alex Daddy. Opesa the beat me NAPO me be smart chen. Jagana fokura nye smarter, me smart papa. And I'm a very, very intelligent marketer. And Lotto is marketing. Lottery, marketing.
Yeah.
What must I say? So, for example, when we say Lotto na mucha rafu bi amoye, mo say oh ene mo bi entra 5 cities. Ucha say ya ubedi. So in the end, company now all yes idea no. Obetimi ehu say oh ebia omo mutwa the whole day no. Ebia omutwa ebia 200 million. 200 million no. Medimu 30 million. 8 year winnings. The rest of 170 no. Metria NLA ka.
Metria NLA ka.
And I say NLA be yine de no ama me so me de.
Etu amombo ni ye agents a omo ton NLA products. Na NLA amo commission. By KGL ne
KGL no de. Onu ne cha
NLA bi.
Eba ne futuom. Na wono akwa NLA kitwa bi 3.64 billion.
Ahin no de NLA.
Sammy wuku free ho no. Sika omode ma o mai a eso chance sika bia bi mada 150 to 70 million Ghana cedis. The whole year.
A week.
1 year. A week is campo no crabro so. Now watch it. 7 days, me boy.
Aye.
Into 70 your friend is saying million, me boy. 70 million no. 2 weeks you're saying. 140. 3 weeks you're saying. 210.
210. That's 21. So
210 million.
210 million.
And 3 weeks sikano. And omode ma Ghana for the whole year. And no crown almost at hu chobo. Tio omuti hu chobo in excess of 70. Omuti hu chobo. Enti the national lottery na wo se see no
enya Ghana aba
enya Ghana dia enti na me ka che o mampani John Mahama say so person o research dia NLA no either say obegu no na wasa ate na foforo and now say on taking steps immediately say obe corrected the ekoso wo NLA no enya sa dia ye de yensa wei aseboase apart from say Alex Daddy ye Akufo Addo cousin no wosa ye MPP ni mapa tiasemi ye o and the reason why MPP for etimi nya no etimi ka sebi ensem chira Ghana for ni say bibi bia na ye o mind dia no say ye o mo dia ti say de o mo ye e wo Ghana airport campaign no ti say de o mo ye ni ba bibia ti say de na nkom de be ye ECG ti say de na nkom ye bibi bia wo Ghana ha bia privatize public insurance no good exactly
e no mo de kwa ma Ken Ofori-Atta enterprise
sa no mo ye no sanso no mo ye lotto tie obi a wotimi ye mimu ni a wotimi kura wia lotto ade a ye o mind dia no so ye wudi ni papa it I don't mean was telling them how I feel ko ye kronfo a ata yi kran kokro no wo men no o men wo ye kronfo ten ata yi now obaya after the finances no yenko baby e ho hia me papa section 9 duties of a lotto marketing company duties
na
juma we a lotto marketing company sene omo person omo ka che say o ye legally licensed ne hwan no ye ka che o say we legally licensed a ye nyoma bi na wo be ye ansana ya joatum say mremu no udibem okay so one I say purchasing coupons on a prepaid basis for NLA from NLA board till it's Fanisenka Alex Daddy or the digital coupons are all torn digital platforms so no
also they can talk to NLA
oh very good board no yankasa chairman enu ti na kwa bi so no Sammy wuku no mintimi mmia no because minua we hu say board no na ye bibia etimi de nkotose to the new board nanim
okay
new board no mate say chairman bi ye friend no Frederick Emisa
ona ye
nim say eye minua na minim no dia
okay
wono na ye board chairman na me hwehwe no se ne be ya mehu no na me de me nkrata nsem nyina de ama no se emani niga na hwa moda so we finances here amaye eno kura no me the average figure na ye me wi a message wa ko Nigeria any Cote d'Ivoire because ye number ye bobo no Ghana ha no eno no omo ni di tua omo winnings because omo ni lotto machine e wo Nigeria we Nigeria ni kakraka no e be te se Ghana be se
and
Lagos cross to Ghana
yes
to the area be ko Nigeria no wa hwe figures e free Nigeria so ba e wo be stress ko foni the answer boase e no mu twika afa so now the to me no say selling only coupons issued by the NLA o say they selling coupons only issued by NLA so untimi nkoton lotto a enye NLA na eden edi amawo coupons no enu nti na efre bibi banker to banker enti posifo chewa omo se wa ye banker to banker ye do kwa kodina mra ni mu a yetimi bua okumfo because ade ye o man ne dia no wo pese ofa 3 or say submitting returns of sold and unsold coupons.
Now said you want to me Anton no cry was so return ma NLA.
Untimi nka say o me call ye ni Anton entino me de sha na echina na maton na dabi ye suro ne say wan hwe ye na wo de sa coupons no cry ko di dwirim ebi a wo ton ye e na wo se wan ton enu nti no bra na bebu ho konta we de o kan nyina ne say enkontabuo wo ton sei me ma wo enam du me call ye no ye yi asare ne abasa ne firi mu nti aka na ya ase ya nto enti fama de bre me enya nto a enya ntia abo no mse ne se ye call tinitini kura ya nto fama de ma me lotto coupons no ye waton no fa bra na de wan tini anton no fa bra enti ye nka se wo koton na fa sika bra NLA o dabi ye nya ne sa eye krono because they say no aban nim sika Alex Daddy na wo ba ga na ha na wontimi ntoso na ata na o se no beto private jet no aban nim sika wanya
because sika no
ko na aban ibu nkunta te se de me trust ibu nkunta ya Alex Daddy na o se ka ba na nkodem ono ni Ken Ofori-Atta na Akufo Addo nya o se nkomdem o ma buo man na fa so the last board of NLA any kwese ba kokura na mabonten e wo se gari ni makunum nya wo se nkia che omunyina
gari na makuno ka
ka pacho gogo e wo se ya che omunyina because omu ya kronfo awudifo amamboyefo because those MPP ni ya mamboye ni a enya go na me die mi nimdom timi ye omu ya mamboyefo. Now number 4 o say displaying the license at a consulable you know printy
as a feed
place okay so
conscious
maybe I'm place at a business premises. Now send your beya will be able to our license in Tino. For license not tab baby, I will hear Jumano. What you say?
Yeah. Send a beya will be able to say any amount license. I would hear
Juma. Now, the Tosubium performing other functions as determined by the minister on the advice of the board.
Okay.
On the advice of the board. Now, board bia won emra odi ye na adwuma
akaya 10 minutes
board bia ni won mo a obetimi akwa ya ade a etia ono ane mra ni aba ku din command din se na adwen so e na board no yesa tro say performing other functions ninje ase kire say minister kra ka say yese ya dabi minister bia ni wo bro mra so emra we eye Ghana fo nyina na ye de ensa hye emra we ase say emra we a na sha no wo section 4 no say no person no entity other than national authority no local authority no shall operate you know enti no me obaya sa nyoma we na emi nyina so say enkofuo we mu de omonsa your mining sa hye boase na de emi hu ene say Nigeria for population almost change te say wo kohwe adwumakuo bi te say Ghana Commercial Bank na ye friend GCB GCB Bank minima baby omo de GCB no ene bank no ba enti GCB Bank omo wo branch wo UK ye friend Ghana International Bank sa bank international bank no adwuma wo ye no it is said ye be a branch of GCB Bank ni bi ewo amanone pepepe adwumakuo bi te say Ghana cocoa marketing company cocoa marketing company no omo so wo adwumakuo ni bi wo amanone ebi wo US ebi wo UK uko UK a be so uko hu omo asset you will marvel Ghana will scapa papa.
Wow.
Yes, you will marvel. They have several, your friend is saying, assets. Ne, to say, Japadia, dining, your manoma, and so come on. Beautiful ones. Chese Ghana bet me be any company ni bi. They said the Eco Bank Abagana. No. Yes, you bet me a Kwaku be NL ni bi war. Nigeria. Now you call Nigeria ni be NL ni bi war because from 1968 numbers are born in Ghana hano aye 590 no eno na Nigeria for omo di twa omo winnings omo ni NL ni enkruma ya ade o enioma bi wo wa Ghana Nigeria for ni bi ke Nigeria kakrakai omo ni NL ni bi se bia Nigeria Lotto authority e bi ni ho eti Ghana ye bo number na Nigeria for di twa sika say wa utwa ebia nto omu coupons no o ma se da create bibi say okay yen ni bi but ye boga na numbers na mo magi coupons ne nkoton mo ton wi a na mo de Scándal bar into omo ye ade a eye international fraud but said that because Ghana betimi legitimize the omo ye no wabra omo ne yen ato kese say efi na ekure Ghana ye be ma
no kranke e benya sika wo
Sammy wuku kwaji sika fi ho bae just sika ne nso mani eye mi mani ena enso na omampani de ni kwan say so na ni kura esan so say reset enti me propose say de betimi aso man nani ni say ye man mu mpo yetimi nya over 3 billion in a year ye ko Nigeria ye betimi nya bear 12 billion minimum because e hono ye kwa ye ko bie NL ni bi wo ho because your number no mo de ye den adi tua winnings omo ni ene number bia omo de tua winnings apart from your number etu ni Nigeria ban tena se na wo se ye bie emu wo ho a ani Cote d'Ivoire nyina ye numbers e no omo de tua winnings enti no me proposal no de di kan nie me de manu besi ye ntimi ntena mmemu na Bank of Ghana eye oman ni nyina de ano entimi nkonkobo besia wo baby to say Agric Development Bank say what they kwa akototo ne nioma wabra Agric Development Bank mum and e was say woni Bank of Ghana eto kese ye adwuma ma Bank of Ghana twia ne commission ma no they said the oma ye no
okay analysis na say
they said the oma ye no Bank of Ghana and no adani ni tumi dia ma Agric Bank anase Car Bank anase Eco Bank
ena onu momu no ton sika di sika hu dwa na owia no akwa pe bibi ketua bi dia ma Bank of Ghana no it shouldn't work like that
eti NL na esi wo sese no ye to ni di NL John Mahama ya appointment but NL na nya Ghana dia
ya ankura bi
Alex Daddy Ken Ofori-Atta Akufo Addo any the board of Sammy Wuku any Sammy Wuku edia eti loto bia ye twa no ma we mu no din amaboboyi omo na loto ni ko omo ho NL no se onu oni sika kro di betwa no workers ka de papa se Alex Daddy na ma omo sika omo ni sika omo di betwa workers ka
ewo
yes ama Alex Daddy no timi kodina TV ni radio so de ni se sinibo se wono kra na ma NL e function na onu wa ma omo sika kra omo timi nya hwe me bai na mi wo video bi ya enke me pese ye di 2 TV so na eboa ma atiefo ehu Alex Daddy kura me kan
oh ni maka se ni ma me
na mesre say Alex Daddy no oye Akufo Addo ne cousin oye ne cousin ya onfani ni agro kura enti
may I show say nkoma ye di aka ye 8 minutes enti ye be ye ntem na ya wrap it up enya ne boni mu mentan no amo ye agents no said ye mra no eka no eye NL na wose onu mom eton coupon ma ankrankre na agrakwa no kwa ton no wabe ya konta dia ma NL na NL ati commission dia ma sa agency kro no asem no nchira se nyina ni o enti eni kwan se agency bi mom kokoton no no ba beti bia ma NL it shouldn't work that way anyway
so we have section 15 or say the authority is the sole body authorized to issue coupons for the national
for
the national lotto, determining the number, type, and denominations of coupons. And it is a surgeon way. Yeah, can. What they come back AGL say or no, wakwa platform. Na o master anumade ba kwa sai mesre. How much does it take to create that platform? How much?
That's my point. Say individual to me aya. I don't know my to me.
Very good. Tie, say am no ka say. Uko NCA. Yeah. Mo short code am dey adwuma wo adwuma mpa no.
Yeah.
NCA na e hye na say. Sa short code na ye di twa loto no. enye rocket science eye NCA ena eye aban adwuma ena omode saa eyine ma etu ko telcos no na ne telcos ni kodi nkomo a na mo ye ntotoye na mo ye hyehye ni nyina wi a star 959 no hash no eye NCA ne regulate enti die na eba ya aban ni ntimi nkonkoje saa number no efa ma NLA in the interest of this country. Now, ono Alex Daddy ne say ono a creative platform.
What creative platform? So free NLA ho. Na NLA mo mama commission. Exactly. Any kwasa wo mo bema NLA commission.
Yes. They say ono pedue bia na dia podium monye. Okra mo ha adwen monye. Ono akotena board meeting ase ne ni sem obekeka obi ene obetima na hwe Ghana ha no mo control. Hey.
Wow.
Akufo Addo kura mpo sebi ene wa hu ne smoothness level pa. Ehwe amoa. Yes. Amoa aye kurukuru ane tua ho.
Smith video na ready ana.
Ya. Na odi ni birthday 3 years ago ni 60th birthday. Na ukọhwe omo a Erade nyame o my way ebeye ye ba ebeche e wo se nipa etimi enya oman ne ho do na ya de pare yo e ba ya setinem hwe. If you want to make money even as a private man, you will still make money legitimately. Na sabi sikana abanimonyam obetimi catch me listo ade we say nkan ne o pa yen konko hwe Alex Daddy na me see you Alex Daddy no minua no me bra panyi 63 de wakobi enche obe free wiase na wokwa ade we no de kwa catch ne nananom say we na me de bedi me manya boni a me de be ye me man nie se ye bo akablemeze din a obi animade ode yeye o ye bo nam wan din a opa manam wan enko nyame ani na oni nyame nko din kita ho no nka se Nyankopon kra frɛ no wo heaven de edinim nam wan wo Ghana ha no eye fraud. Etino enye sike bia na animonyam wo mu enye sike bia na ye na ya hyehyɛ mmra na ye mamra ni nya adwuma. That is why I have problem with Ghana state institutions. So the best mra kama on said ya mra ya tro ne kama and ya sa de shall krasa ka ho enti e kire se ade na ye no ya semra ne ya sa bu mra no so does it mean so obi so bro mra so ana. Yes entino na say hu ya se ya be semra. Yes entino me hu ni say enye difficult to understand unless you want to be criminal. Ade we are very simple meaning say etiefo nyina kra na asabi omunye obi a wontwa loto kra da no wate ase. Se me as a marketer me dey summary na eba se me koje ya titi phone say oba ya me koton phone ya brew de me ye ne se me kwakobo phone ni hu da ru na maton na me de oba ya sika botene ani sika me mfa so nyina aba me de ba oba ya se me kan say ubenyam ukoton phone ne ba ubenya 10%. Ubenya 10%. Na ma 10% amount. Wo na wo beti ama me. Enya wo mom na wo so beti bi ma. Me ani kwa sika no kura mi som. Te se adwumam ha marketing. Se obi kofa client ba. Se client ni mpo ese otua sika na otua ma marketer na. Marketer ni hu tumi se wo no te ne commissions and all this kind of company. What the sika ne beba company ni mu. Company na register say openi konto ye ni advert wo eye CTV hey CTV 4 agi sika no de ma eni nyina 100 million enti ya ti market ade e de ama no emi kwan say nipa na woto ye fe ne sen ade no krampo no ohu sika market ani benya nipa na ya advert no eni se wo hu emfaso a market na wono beje contract ne de bre CTV no eni se wo hu so hu a enye hwe mom na mom no emra mu no de ema ye mani hu ne se eye sa na adwe ne se sika ne ye de atoso e de ama nipa kro na mom sika ne ko company ni mu dia company ne beti sika ne de atwia ne market ane ka It is yes licensed marketing company. Now fe who about than the owner. The marketer has turned to be the owner.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm referring.
Your friend no
Salam. Already, I'm not found to some your time now, so I can 2 minutes.
Salam.
Salam.
Na NLA Act no. Salam ni 2 minutes.
Board no the
board na board no so no aban hu say NLA say finance ministry ase.
Hey, sister, you back then.
Obi anu ntimi nto
alleges daddy. Oh, okay.
Ni din no. Ni din na da ho no at 60.
Okay. COVID mire mu ana.
Akufo Addo neti we.
Oh, okay.
Akufo Addo. Oh, ne yire. Akufo Addo yire na te ho no kama. Omo MC kama. Mate. Ona te ho no. Ona bo.
Ona te na na do nchen.
Ona te ne nchen no. Munya loto sikedi. Ti o se wa ye totwe kama. Aye kama he. Papa wo so ankoma. Ne nkofo ni nie.
Na djuma ye fo ni ana ne partners.
Oh ne we international partners.
International. All right.
You know ono na mpese Ghana fo ehu.
Smith ya dase.
Na ni same me so mani sane papa. Me mani we. That time na Kofi Asante Bediatuo onyare ohu no. Enti ba bia sika ni nyunu kɔ no. State capture na ye ka no ne mani.
Okay.
Unza ni mane ho fefe kama.
Onya loto sika.
Ntino loto na ama abusua ya kama say loto
Ghana for loto within a week na wanya 8 million.
Only say ono na na esa ye board chair ese yo fiase e wo GIPC
Alleges no.
Ono na ye board chairman wo GIPC Ghana Investment Provision
Promotion
Center ono na ye board chair. Ne birthday no assisting be say 4 years ago or so and enuni yeah rapport apa ma on mine mu do ho ko Bawumia ono so na I wish a happy birthday no omunya loto skedi papa so the cabal is what I'm exposing to the world. This is the cabal. This is the criminal syndicate I've been talking about. It's a criminal syndicate of thieves, embezzlers, state capturers. So that is for the information of the public. I'm saying, "Maka we no, obi a open information." Over to me, Ato Forson. Now, Medimanu Sia, Finance Ministry, Interior Ministry, and Attorney General's Department,
and the new board for NLA.
Now you're members of the board.
Okay.
And man said that yes, say. It's not a child say go for a dummy onimumra. Chrono de on say wakwaye fast. Because senkaye Mami Sophia Gloria Kufu na ye Attorney General and company ma de we masoda. They started it from Aremeyaw Pencil wanya da. She wouldn't do it. But go for a dummy ye. Go for a dummy or ye. So we have Interior Ministry. Womo ano omo wo ho Interior Ministry. Omo kan. We have Finance Minister na mu Ken Ofori-Atta. The entia no was one call copy say this a COVID no jojo ansa no wakọ no yes a deal we. Sa deal we. Tina no also on free ministry.
On free Finance Ministry.
Waka ho no omo yes a deal we. Ntini pass abai ministries miensa we. Omo nyina wo board ne so. And the current board chairman, no, you see a friend, Dr. Frederick Emisa or the Frederick Emisa.
Yes, sir. Now,
I don't know if it's the Emisa guy I know, but I'm still looking for him. And to be beer with no. Mesreno.
Yeah, no.
Say Oma onemi ninkita hon. Na me man a lot of information. From KGL omo office ho ankasa.
Omo nya update here. Gary ni mako no omo guso de man wo Google.
Oko omo platform ne so a.
Gary ni mako was the board chairman for NLA.
So be catch say obi bet na bontin no keka nkwase asem a. na e wo se hu ba bia the source of income e free e say na ni bra o me catch say we your lawyer ni obi a want me kura put two sentence together your lawyer ni me ni ko gina court we ono si me ye busybody ma be nchen we your lawyer ni anya kro no a e ko fo we kom timi ntraga na ada anya kro no a anya kro no a ono na no ba ko jam yire my money 50,000 we useless ones tinya kro no a me kad ni pain say anya kro no a ye won kofo bi organ ha o muntimi mie o ma no da e wo badwam na board no obi dey assign me hey am for interest papa
yeah
obi the board na 7-member governing board comprises the technical advisor at the Ministry of Finance, Mr. Frederick Emisa as chairman.
And you already saw Mr. Frederick.
The Director General of NLA, Mr. Chairman.
Chairman, yes, sir. Investigations.
Ghana can't afford to lose.
Exactly. Because
your guidance.
Some way they make our show. Yeah, your interest. We want to see to the end.
What you say? Salam, Director and Revenue Policy Division and Ministry of Finance. Okay, Edward Abrokwa, representative of Ministry of Interior, Miss Doreen Penyin Annan, and the Solicitor General and the Office of the Attorney General representative, Mrs. Helen Akmene Awo Aziu,
and
the Member of Parliament for Dome Kwabena.
Alec Plim. Any Alec Plim, what do you me find feature or Kwabena?
Mr. Gerald Bafo Ewuabusu, the president's nominee on the board. And you know, where the Omanpeni John Dramani Mahama. One wapamfo. Ne the finance minister titru una wase
direct
and the board are led by Mr. Frederick Emisa. Edi Emisa so there yetimi the vice president ntino ye be sere no se omo enhwehwem
emayen
na sabi mo fa ne se me de ma be ka ne tra moto nsa frɛ me a esi a me free hey me ko EOCO straight
Raymond Swabe
because economic organized crime sika enka Ghana be nya free hon na me ka say the minimum yanko Nigeria ya Ghana ha yakra the minimum to get in a year the minimum say ya anya adwuma ya model ya ntwaluto about 3 billion
3 billion
what dey 640 ni free ho pan say no ya dey prapra yem plan dwaye 3 billion NLA should be able to make 3 billion in a year because that's how much that is about averagely how much Alex Daddy solely that special purpose vehicle formed, you know, that's how much KGL does annually. Maybe for the sake of the public. Mean to me found to baby because confidential. But me dey no one who dey me na gina so. Sene be ya bi obi ka listo ho asem a ubetimi di adanse se wonso wudi wani ko twa we se aye den ehu bi me pa cho ubetimi ahwe se bosome omunya asen ana min bie mu sei mum
me bie mu ti we ye KGL NL monthly revenue
so kan na
283 million and
283 million monthly
bid that so 833,333
January me boa
mpacho wan
and February and March okay kabu me
288
tu kabu ma total na yesen me say me ne nam ko ba no ni me saman odi mi di agro
average weekly ngwani
odi mi di agro
daily
daily ska wonya akura no chese ya bomfu nyenya so January there first quarter bia business bia said ankoye anu poni na sabi abrokuma suomponie ena etikuma kwadwe na be so abribra eti mesre me it's not about me, it's about Ghana. Sure. And my love for this country is so crazy or damn the doba. I love Ghana even more than myself because on my way here me nananum ne me nanan kanso anum nyina da achiba be bodin se yenso yakwan ye no eso mfa so no mudie no se kan kroma afa ne ho amma afore amma my way a then ke nya mampani ne eti binum de omo ho bo afore de omo kra bo afore eti me I am a devout patriot. Me fa me patriotism di agro, me fa me patriotism, me nationalism, me fa ni agro kra, and I am an avowed patriot. And that's how far I believe say so you Ghana ni na do man ma man ni mu nsem nya we hia sem dwene ho no pa wie nwumre ni anadwo ukoda bompa ye se Nyankopon magana enye krabehwe na ye nyina ye ho ntoyen sika we enkebetimi aye akwan san sika we enkebetimi aye sukuu san sika we betimi aye asupiti san akogu ankora botom omo sa de yi yahi omo ma ne omo nananom say ba be ka che yen nananom ne papa nom nyina ne yen so ye say mo amobra kpakpa hwe akpaafo we kromfo we ne man ba be ka che yen akromfo aban omo ma ba be ka che ne gari ni mako otiemi a ne ba e be ka che yen say yen ya amobra na wonkwa na ye lawyer Ghana hankwa na ye lawyer okura wasa bon lawyer wa bon say ano ne ma be ka say ya bon. So I want to pick the battle to them and yes someone the battle ni ba I will go every extra mile to make sure I expose every one of them. Every one of them. Lawyer ni mu akotena ho ye ka shall. Na wo de wa ye de wo pay because of sika. Lawyer ni mu. Lawyer ni gari ni makon. Nti afa wu de nti a untimi na they say ye ni agimie. I will expose every one of them. And I'm ready for every one of them. Their battles, I'm ready. I'm battle ready for them. Me o de me kokota meba na say na first no de me kokota na me ma de ntia na me ma nyina ne say
na only trust
me need trust wo mu say ya for bafo boni abai he won fa me kokot kra me am kokot me am kokot wo ye ko kamra because me some people lawyer ni bie no oni mumra they need the judge and until no mu su tokonu will never come again. She's part of the syndicate. May God forbid that she will ever come back again. May God forbid. We have to use the law. It's a state of laws, and it is the rule of law and the rule of man. Now I can say meaning judge. She will not come again today, tomorrow. ACBO Bafuboni is the Chief Justice. Today, tomorrow, till he retires. Till so about retire na prison so. To prepare because I'm ready for you. I'm ready for each and every one of them. Maybe court.
All right.
Teletubbies. Me sha me man ye sha na yesremo. Me man kura ye intelligent chemo.
Mame na me bra list wona na kwesi poku ase.
Yo, it for we a reporter abato ye pono so make out say wonya subscribe to channel idea bomodi ase over subscribe. Na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na we bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom. Also betimi achere wadwen afa eye semwe nyina ho e wo comment box no mo beti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.